Joy McNamara, March 2010. Lake of Solid Gold. I don't know where I'm going. I'm not even sure where I am. I don't know where I have been. I'm not even sure where I started. It feels like swimming in a lake of solid gold. I'm not afraid of anything, for time is mine. It just feels like swimming in a lake of solid gold. It doesn't make any sense, the letters do not rhyme. I don't really want to move, just going with the flow. I don't really want to grow, just want to stay here and linger. Cause it feels like swimming in a lake of solid gold. I'm not afraid of anything, for time is mine. It just feels like swimming in a lake of solid gold. It doesn't make any sense, the letters do not rhyme. I don't really want to feel, just want to stay still. I don't really want to taste, for it all tastes so. Jacky, February 2014. The lake. The first afternoon I can recall. You grabbed my hand and took me outside. You surprised me, I said, because that noon is the first time I saw that lake. The second afternoon I can recall. You called me by name and we went outside. I brought you lunch and we drank some mind-boggling liquid, which you stole from that old man living beside that lake. We lied on the grass, and if that was not a dream, I hope not. I felt your breath with mine, and your lips on mine.